Westman's View or Pay a Bill section gives you the choice of various billing options. From here, you can enroll in paperless statements, pre-authorized payments, or make a one-time payment. You can also securely add a credit card to your account for one-time or future payments. From the My Westman home, click the View or Pay My Bill button on the left-hand side. Once on this page, you'll see all your accounts under your name. The ability to manage multiple accounts, all in one portal, is one of the many benefits of My Westman. To manage a specific account, click the account title to open a drop-down menu. Check the box for paperless statements if you no longer wish to receive paper copies of your Westman statement. Check the box for pre-authorized payments if you'd like to enroll in automatic withdrawals. You will be required to review and accept the pre-authorized payments terms shown. Click Pay Now to easily make a one-time payment. You will be prompted to enter your credit card information in the field shown, as well as the amount you wish to pay. The current amount of your bill will automatically show up, but can be changed to a preferred amount. If you would like to make payments on multiple accounts, click the Add to Checkout button under each chosen account. This will combine your totals for you and ensure payments are made to the correct accounts. Click Pay Now once all required accounts have been selected. To add a credit card to your profile, click the blue Add a Credit Card button. You will be queued to enter your credit card details into our secure database. If you want your credit card information to be remembered for the future, click Save Card at the bottom of the page. Once you've double-checked your information, click Pay. You will be redirected to a page that gives you a confirmation number along with your payment, saying it's been approved. This sums up the View or Pay a Bill section of My Westman.